Hey guys, Vincent here from USSOLID.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a USSOLID 3-wire motorized ball valve to a circuit. Okay, here we go. Alright, the first step is preparing all the stuff we will need in this video. A 3-wire motorized ball valve. The model here is USSMSV1. Half-inch thread stainless steel valve body, powered by 9 to 24 volts alternating current or direct current. There are 3 wires for users to connect the valve to circuit: the blue wire, the red wire, and the yellow wire. I've already assembled the wire connectors to them with insulating cover. A 3-way toggle switch, we usually call this SPDT, single pole double throw. Common is connected to line 1 or line 2. An adjustable DC power supply. Let's check the wiring schematic before connecting all the components. Here it is. This is power supply. This is SPDT switch. In this case, we assume blue wire is line 1, red wire is line 2, and this is motorized ball valve. The 3-wire setup shows an example of wiring with the SPDT toggle switch. It is important in this setup that the yellow wire is connected to the negative pole from the power supply. Okay, let's connect all the stuff together. Connect the positive pole of power supply to one terminal of the toggle switch, and then connect the blue wire, blue one, to one terminal of the toggle switch, and connect the red wire to the last terminal of the toggle switch. Remember, the yellow one should be connected to the negative pole of power supply. Here we go. Let's turn on the power supply. Okay, the switch is in line 2 now. When the switch is set to line 1, the valve will fully open. Once in this state, the valve is de-energized, which means the power consumption is 0. When the switch is set to line 2, the valve will fully close. Once in this state, the valve is de-energized, which means the power consumption is 0 too. In case of power loss, the valve will remain in its current state. Let's turn off the power. The valve now will be in closed state. Let's turn on the power. Okay, the valve opens now. Let's turn off the power supply again. Did you see that? The valve will remain in open state. The 3-wire model is perfect for the situations where 2-point control is needed. We offer 3 wire model in many different sizes and in both steel and brass. If you have any questions and concerns about this wiring type, comment right below this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.